Hello everyone, my name is Jessica and welcome to Simple, Cheap, and Easy DIYs. If you're already a subscriber to my channel, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notification. That way you're notified every time I upload a video. Also make sure you hit the video like button and leave me a comment below. As always, you can check the description box for a list of the items I used. Let's get started. In today's video, we're going to be making this galvanized garden hose bucket decor, which is a dupe for the one they have at Overstock, which is $26.99. Mine is $3 to make. Keep watching to see how to make this dupe. I'm going to start off by taking this SureFresh plastic container and removing the lid and the labels. Once I have that done, I'm going to take the Rust-Oleum spray paint in the color silver and just spray paint the entire container. Next, I'm going to take the apple barrel paint in the color pewter gray, and I'm just going to go ahead and dab that all over the container, as you can see me doing here. Once that's dry, I'm going to take the apple barrel paint in the color granite gray, and I'm going to repeat the same process. I'm just going to dab that all over the container as well. Once that layer's dry, I'm going to go back over with the first color, the pewter gray, and just dab that on to help give the galvanized look. Once that's fully dry, on this particular container, it has some raised sections, and I'm going to take the apple barrel paint in the color burnt umber, and I'm just going to go down each of those lines to help give the rusted effect to go along with this. I'm going to take that same color and then just go around the top edge of the container as well. Once that layer of paint is dry, I'm going to go back over the burnt umber with the pewter gray just to give a subtle touch of the rust. That way it's not too bold on the container. And this is what it will look like once you have the container fully painted. Next, I'm going to take this dog leash and I'm just going to go ahead and use my X-Acto knife to separate where it is sewed together. Once I do that, I'll be able to go ahead and take off the plastic piece, and you'll want to save that because we're going to be using it here in a moment. And on this top piece, I'm just going to take off the little clasp, do the same thing, cut the strings and remove the hook, and we'll be saving the two plastic pieces. We'll be using those in a moment. And since I couldn't find a blue leash, I'm going to use this apple barrel paint in the color Admiral Blue and just go ahead and paint that to match the one we are duping. As well, to go ahead and make this stand up, I'm going to take a piece of this wire and just glue that to a section at the bottom, which will help it to hold up straight, as you can see I'm going to be doing here. Now taking another piece of wire, I'm going to wrap that around the bottom of one of the pieces of rope. That way when we connect the plastic pieces, it'll help those to hold on. Now taking the rope at the part where you glued the metal wire on, you'll glue the bottom of the rope and the metal to the top of the bowl. As you can see here, it's a little difficult to explain, but you can see how I'm applying it. And then I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this rope all the way around the top and glue that around the entire bowl. Now the wire that I used wasn't sturdy enough to hold up the top of the rope, so what I'm going to do is take this barbecue skewer and just cut a section off and glue that to the rope. Once I have that glued on, I'm going to go ahead and paint it in the same color of paint. That way it blends in and you won't be able to notice that I had to glue this second piece on. Now taking the two plastic pieces, I'm going to go ahead and glue the bottom of one and go ahead and insert that to make the faucet. Once I have those glued, I'm going to take the apple barrel paint in the color burnt umber, and I'm just going to go ahead and paint those to make the faucet top bottom. Once I have those painted and fully dry, I'll go ahead and apply glue to the rope that we tied the metal to and go ahead and insert that into the plastic pieces. Taking the remainder of that rope that we painted, I'm going to glue that to the bottom of the bowl, as you can see I'm going to be doing here. Now that the little planter is complete, I'm going to take a little bird that I got from Dollar Tree, and to make it match the one that was on Overstock, I'm going to go ahead and paint it in the color burnt umber. And then once it's fully dry, I'm going to glue that to the top of the water spout, and that'll complete the look for the dupe for the Overstock version. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope everyone enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. As always, you can leave me a comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Till next time, hope everyone has a great day.